Hey, Roger Holloway, Prosted Realty in the studio, talking about Lennar Homes, Dover, and Dorchester plan. What's the difference? Let's look at them. The Dover is a true ranch plan with everything on one level. Now, these are several different elevations, same plan on the inside, but you could have this one right next door to this one and not know that it's the same house because the fronts are different. The architectural elements, the dormers, the porch, the craftsman styling. So this is a very popular plan at Lennar Treetops, and there are a lot of reasons why the Dover is so great. I love this plan. I love going in and sitting inside and looking at this plan when I'm showing this to clients. So you walk in this house and there's the porch, 2 bedrooms and a full bath on this side. Now this dining room could literally be a study if you'd rather have it with double doors. This is just super duper. Man, this great room opens up into this kitchen, big island. And you come into this owner's suite, there's a sitting room there that kind of makes you breathless with a little covered porch on the rear. And there's some options in the owner's bath on this. So this is a great plan. It's a ranch plan. It's called the Dover, and it's available at Imagery in the Meadows section. Now, how is it different from the Dorchester? Well, these elevations are the same. They look the same on the outside, but on the inside, you'll see that the Dorchester has an upstairs. Same scenario here on this side, same opportunity for a study here, same owner's bath, all on the main level. But when you go upstairs, you have a bonus room and a 4th bedroom with a full bath. That is a wonderful option, and I recommend that if it's in your price point and you're now well over 2,700 square feet, perfect for the ranch. Time and space for you and the grandkids to separate at the end of a busy day at Carowinds. Let your kids, grandkids go upstairs and have their own space and time while you enjoy yours down here. Now, let's see what lots this can be built on at Imagery. Now, this is brand new, guys, just opened. This is the only 55 plus waterfront and water view community in Charlotte. It's going to be very similar to Lennar Treetops, so we have a proven track record. Go into my YouTube search bar and type in Treetops and take a tour and see, or type in Summer House in my search bar on YouTube channel and see what some of these ranch home neighborhoods look like from Lennar. Beautiful. Also, you can type in Dorchester on my YouTube channel search bar to take a tour of the Dorchester. 1.5 story home. Same with the Dover. Type it in and take a tour. Now, these yellow lots here, these are Meadows lots. That means that the Dover and the Dorchester, being part of the Meadows section of homes, will fit there. Not here, not here. This is Pinnacle, and this is the Grove section. So be thinking about these lots. I was up on this lot yesterday looking out at Mountain Island Lake. Gorgeous. There's a 100-foot buffer there. It's a water view. It's not really, doesn't really feel like waterfront in that you're not able to go down to the water so much, but basically gorgeous views from there. But notice how, like, say, this cul-de-sac lot, very close to this finger, these bigger lots looking out. Now, these may all be sold by now. These may not have been released yet. So we just need, at the current time that you call me, it's 704-345-3400. Let's make plans to go up there. Now, if you've already gone, call your salesperson and tell them that Roger Holloway is your buyer's agent from Prosted Realty. My services are free to you. If you haven't gone yet, let's go together. If you're coming into town, let me make the appointment for us, and I'll expose you to everything that you need to see relative to 55 plus homes. But you see, these Meadows lots have this nice space behind it. These cul-de-sacs have common space behind it. So there are a lot of reasons to like a lot of these lots. A lot of it too will have to do with the lot premiums. I guarantee you that these are going to cost a lot more on top of your base price, your elevation price, your options price, to be right there at the water. So we just need to do it. Let's go together. What the heck? 704-345-3400. I can't wait to help you with a Dover or a Dorchester or any of the Meadows lot floor plans right where it's yellow, or any of the Pinnacles or any of the Grove. Can't wait to talk to you soon. Roger Holloway, Prosted Realty, 704-345-3400, talking about Imagery on Mountain Island Lake.